Hello, today on Meowster Math, we will be adding fractions. So, let's do a simpler problem. 1/2 plus 1/3. The first thing we have to do is write a few multiples for 2 and 3. The first number they have in common is 6, which will be the common denominator. Now we know that 6 divided by 2 will equal something. And we know that 6 divided by 3 will equal something. So we can count the numbers that we wrote at the top to help us. 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. 1 times 3 equals 3. Now for the bottom. 1/3. We know that 2 times 3 is 6, so 3 times 2 must equal 6. 1 times 2 equals 2. So now we will add both of them together. 3 plus 2 is 5, and the numerator is 6. Thank you for watching Meowster videos. Meow!